When it comes to breastfeeding, we've got some good news to report today. More mothers nationwide are at least trying it.
And the bad news is they're not sticking with it as long as doctors would like. In this month's Health Check report, Cerise Cole explains why they should.
7-month-old Robert Giesselmann is happy and healthy. His mother believes her decision to breastfeed is one reason why.
Basically, it's everything that they'd ever need. Mom's milk has just the exact amounts of, perfect amounts of, sugars and carbohydrates and fats.
Nurse practitioner Diane Pelan-Johnson says that's something you can't duplicate.
The formula companies do their best to try to mimic it, and they still have not been able to even come close.
As a result, more moms are at least trying to breastfeed.
Those numbers have really shot up. It's something that the United States and Nebraska has worked really hard to do in the last 10 years.
According to the CDC's 2016 breastfeeding report card, it's working. 80% of mothers in Nebraska and Iowa attempted to breastfeed last year. But after 6 months, only about 50% were still breastfeeding. And when it comes to reaching the recommended 1-year mark, the numbers fell another 20%. That's troubling news for Pelan-Johnson, who doesn't want babies to miss out on the benefits. Babies who are breastfed for at least 6 months are less likely to have ear infections, respiratory illnesses, and suffer from sudden infant death syndrome. It also reduces the risk for chronic diseases like asthma, allergies, diabetes, and childhood obesity. There are benefits for mom, too.
It really decreases our risk of breast cancer. It also decreases our risks of getting ovarian cancer, diabetes, as well as obesity for us.
Another benefit you may not think about, breastfeeding can save you money. It's estimated parents spend about $1,500 to $3,000 on formula a year. Breastfeeding's free. Megan admits it wasn't an easy start.
It was a little bit tough with my first because I didn't have any idea what to experience.
But she's glad she stuck with it.
To be able to sit and rock your baby and feed it, and it's amazing.
The hope is more moms will do the same. In Fremont with photographer Dustin Dales, Cerise Cole, WOWT 6 News.
They also offer this advice. If you're having trouble breastfeeding, don't stay at home and struggle. Make an appointment with a board-certified lactation consultant or your doctor. They can help you get back on track and make it a positive experience for you and your baby.